Hello! In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you have no sound during calls on your Motorola Moto G86 Power. If you have the problem of no sound during calls, the first thing you want to check is, of course, if you have call volume set to a sufficient level. During calls, using the volume buttons will automatically change call volume, but you can also tap on the three dots and make sure that this option, second from the right, is set to a sufficient level, as if it's set to minimum you might not really hear it. You can also see that in settings, here under sound and vibration, and as you can see, call volume right here. Now, if you still have no sound during calls, you can try calling on a different app. For example, if you're calling just from number to number, you could try calling on Messenger or on WhatsApp. Just try different options. If it still doesn't work, you could try turning off Bluetooth to check if it's maybe your audio being rerouted to a Bluetooth device. If it's however not that, you could also simply restart your phone. In the quick app drawer, you can tap on here and then restart, or you can tap or press the power and the volume up buttons to enter the same power menu and then tap on restart here. Another thing you can try is restarting network settings. To do so, go into settings. Here, scroll down to System, Reset Options, and then, depending on what you're doing, if you're doing a call through your mobile network, that is from one number to another, you can try resetting mobile network settings. If you're doing a Wi-Fi call, you could try restarting Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, though then you'll have to reconnect to all of your Wi-Fi networks or Bluetooth devices. You may also want to make sure that you have a proper connection to your Wi-Fi network. You could try connecting to a different one, or simply going to a place with better signal, as weak signal could also be the culprit here. You could also try looking at your phone's speakers. They are right here, and there is a little notch over here, which you might not really notice on the camera, but you might notice it when you look there. Just right here at the top, a little notch, you could say, where the speakers for calls are located. Just see if they aren't maybe clogged or if there's nothing in them. If there is, you could try using compressed air to try and dislodge it, or some other tools, and just make sure you don't use anything too hard or don't push anything in there, as to not damage the speakers. Another thing you could do would be to simply, well, if you're using Bluetooth devices for sound, you could try, of course, if you are connected to a Bluetooth device, like you can see right here, let's say you're connected to some wireless earphones, you could make sure that they also have call volume set sufficiently high. You could also try to make sure that they are actually working, so make sure they are sufficiently charged, which on this phone you can possibly see that under Bluetooth settings, which you can get to by holding the Bluetooth option, seeing that the battery is sufficiently charged. You could try for getting the device and then pairing back up with it. Another thing you could try is to, of course, place the Bluetooth device back into its case, then waiting a bit and taking it out again in order to possibly help restart the device, just in case it could have been somehow stuck with no sound, which can sometimes happen. Another thing you can try is to boot into safe mode, just in case it's one of your apps causing the issue. To do so, go into the power menu by this, or again pressing the volume up and power buttons at the same time, and then pressing and holding either the power off or restart option, and choosing to confirm that you want to reboot into safe mode, which might take a little while. You'll know you're in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom corner. Then just go into your device and try checking, try getting a call or try calling someone to check if maybe now it works. If it works once you enter safe mode, that does mean that one of your apps is messing with your ability to have sound during calls, which will mean you'll have to start uninstalling your apps one by one or in small batches in order to see what app is possibly causing the problem. You might even have to restart between uninstalls to make sure it properly removes of the app's influence. But if even after all of this you still have no sound, you can of course return to normal mode by restarting your phone as normal. But if even after all this you still don't have sound during calls, that might mean that this speaker right here is broken, or if you're using loudspeaker mode during calls, this one could also be broken, the one down here. But that's it for this video. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.